with Tassie!
Welcome back, little learners. Today we're learning a wonderful letter. It's the wiggly, wonderful letter W. Say it with me. W, W, W. Here's uppercase W. And here's lowercase w. W is for wolf, howling at the moon. Watermelon, juicy and sweet. Wave, splashy and fun. Let's trace the letter W together. Ready? Down, up, down, up. That makes a W.
W is for watermelon, yummy to eat. Waves in the ocean, splish, splash, beat. Wolves say how under the sky so blue. W is wonderful just for you.
Wow, well done! You've learned the wonderful letter W. Wave goodbye with W words all around. And we'll see you next time for more alphabet fun.